Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Prophet in Decaying Winter. Prophet is a fantastic support perk, excelling at scouting, looting, and marking enemies for your team. You'll find yourself moving faster, taking no fall damage, and starting with 110 health, making you a highly efficient explorer. Your primary tool, the Savant Scanner, is key to revealing valuable resources and dangerous foes. The core of Prophet's utility is the Savant Scanner. Simply hold F to perform a personal scan, revealing ammo, resources, and enemy positions with health bars. For team play, hold F and press L and B to activate an Area of Effect scan. This not only shares information with allies, but also debuffs scanned enemies, reducing their maximum health by 25%, making them easier to eliminate. To truly master Prophet, focus on strategic looting. Your enhanced movement speed and immunity to fall damage allow you to quickly sweep areas for resources. Always aim to gather supplies for your team, as Prophet is a natural loot goblin. During intense wave nights, strategically use your Area of Effect scan to debuff large groups of enemies, giving your combat-focused teammates a significant advantage. For optimal performance, consider equipping traits such as professional, fearless, or dependable to complement Prophet's strengths. An essential piece of equipment is a backpack, which significantly increases your carrying capacity for all that valuable loot you'll be finding. While Prophet isn't a frontline fighter, throwing knives can be a surprisingly effective auxiliary weapon for dealing with weaker enemies or finishing off debuffed foes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.